Good morning, everybody. I just realized today that my visa expires, so I'm going to take you guys up to the Marquee Mall and immigration, and do a short little video there. And if you've never been there before, it might help you. The only immigration place here in Balikbayan, Angeles City area, is actually up in Marquee Mall, and they process all the visas there, including I-13, which is marriage visas and other things. So if you ever needed to go there, this would be the place. Come on for a ride.
Okay, so I've arrived here at the Marquee Mall and on my way into immigration. It's normally a process that takes possibly an hour or two, and we will see today how long time it will take. And, I might do a walkthrough in the mall here also to show you guys. Alright, so we're walking up to the immigration here. It's on the bottom level, right by the grocery store and the food court on the bottom level. They might not want to run the cameras when we get up there, but so we're going to respect that. But the immigration is at the far end of this area. Yeah, grocery stores in here. And here's one of the entrances into the Marquee Mall. Alright, so that was a pretty smooth process. I was pretty much in and out in about 30 minutes or less, so positive today. And it's quite busy here in the mall today, so I'll just do a little walk around and show you. This is Marquee Mall. There's all kinds of little restaurants in here. You have Jollibee, need a birthday cake, Red Ribbon is a big one. Greenwich is a pizza joint. If you like Dunkin' Donuts, you got it down here. And I believe there's a McDonald's in here somewhere too. They're further down. And inside here you have the Metro supermarket. A lot of foreigners come here because it's convenient, and the immigration authority is right in here too. So, alright, but that was a positive, so we're taking off and going back home. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to go to our website. You'll see the website link on the videos. You can send us questions there, more private, if you don't like to do it in the open comment fields. So we are always happy to hear from you. God bless and take care.